clock repair here at the Big Money Garage today. I guess I must be bored. Basically, it seems to be these contact points. I cleaned those up, sanded them down. They were corroded, and I used this dry film lube to lube all my gears. I really didn't take the clock much more apart than what you see here. And when I activated those points, it started ticking. And like right now you can see it's not, second hand it's not moving because you got to activate those points to get the spring tension. And once that happens, it takes off. Watch this. This is 12 volts. See how they separated? And it just takes off. And once the spring slowly pulls those points close, the 12 volts energizes that coil and opens them back up again. Watch this. Well, it didn't open them up that much. I may need to clean the points a little bit more. But it's still going. There we go. It made contact and opened them up a bunch. I'll lube things up a little bit more too. And see if I can put this back together and see how long it works. It's not too hard if this is all it needs. Thanks for watching. So what?